In this video, I will show you how to view and use the referral feature in GCash. Before we begin, let me clarify something important. You don't actually need a referral code to refer someone in GCash. While you might have heard about referral codes, GCash's referral system works a bit differently. You can refer jobs to your friends directly through the GCash app, and you can earn rewards when your referrals are successful. To get started, open your GCash app and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, tap View All Services located in the center of your screen. Scroll down to the Enjoy section and tap on Jobs. This is where you can refer job opportunities to your friends. Once you're inside the Jobs section, look toward the bottom part of the screen for the Referral section. It should be the third option listed. From here, you'll see instructions on how to start referring. First, explore the available job listings. Tap on the job list to find various openings across different industries. Next, match the job with a friend you think would be a good fit. Enter your friend's name and email address, then tap Refer. Your friend will receive an email notification with details on how to apply. If your referred candidate gets hired, you can earn GCash rewards, no referral code needed. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you next time.